If you connect your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max with your PC, trust this computer option was not popping out. Let's see how we can fix that in real-time solution. The very first thing is don't use these unbranded cables. This is the step number one. So this is the important step. Always use Apple or any mobile manufacturer cable. I'm not saying you only need to use the Apple cable when it comes to the USB-C port, because recent models comes with USB-C port. So there is no necessity we only needs to use the Apple cable. We can use any brand mobile manufacturer cable. So like Samsung, OnePlus, anything. You can use mobile manufacturer cable, but don't use the free cables. Like I bought this Audiolan A1 microphone. This charging cable comes to charge the device, but when I try to connect my iPhone using this cable, it won't connect with my PC actually. I just changed the another mobile manufacturer cable, then it works. So don't use the free cables, use only Apple or any mobile manufacturer cable. That's it. And one more thing is don't use the broken cables. Even if it is a branded, don't use the broken cables, just change that to new one. Then second, if you haven't seen the pop-up, you just open the iTunes in the background and make sure you unlock the iPhone 17 screen and try to connect. Then definitely you can see the option. If you still haven't seen that, you just remove this and flip this end and connect. Then you can see that this trick will work mostly. If still you haven't seen that, you just quick restart your iPhone and PC. You know that stuff. You just quickly press and release volume up button, down button, and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, release that and it's done. On the PC, it's very simple. You know that. You just click that and the power symbol and restart. That's it. Restart both devices and try to reconnect, then it will work. And if you want to download iTunes for free, you need to watch this video.